if you want to capture the psychology behind and soak into the true essence of Royal Enfield, watch this video.
It exudes somewhat of toughness. That's why you have seen that it was used also in the World War II also. So this is a thing which makes it last so long, I will say over a full century. It was first manufactured in 1901 by the Britishers, and after that in the year 1955 it was totally Indianized and is now being manufactured at our Chennai branch. So what you think has made it last more than a century? कुछ तो होगा ना, कुछ होगा, something unique about it.
And I wanted you to understand not only what does Royal Enfield stands for, but also what all life lessons can we learn from it to inspire us. A video even a grandfather can show to his grandchild in 2050. There are hundreds of reviews, expeditions, odysseys, videos are available in YouTube and other sources for this bike. But this video is not about all these things. It's much more than that.
The first thing that comes into my mind when I think of Bullet is the thunderous voice of the engine. Tug, 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 tug. A thing which you cannot forget. It is very unique. Even with my closed eyes, I can make out whether a bullet is coming from a distance. My father owned a 1955 model Royal Enfield Meteor 700cc, and I purchased my 350cc Bullet in the year 1985. Whenever we are moving around, all heads are turning to watch your bike and the rider, both.
Now this bike has seen many rides in its life, and since last few years it's been kept as a show bike after renewing its registration and everything. So I occasionally take it out nowadays just for a round or so. That's it. It has won many competitions in different ways. Let's check out its sound. Alright, got the keys. Let's start it now. And here we go. One thing you need to remember about this bike, it has a dynamo inside it, so you can't rev it much, else you will end up burning the engine. Very few know this about this model. So I had to slowly graduate to Enfield. So any message to the young generation, the young bike riders?
Yes, definitely. And the most important one, that you should not move around casually in a bike without the safety gears, and you should not compromise on the cost, because this is such an item that your life is more important than all these things, than the riding. Well, I think you take care of yourself and move around with the proper gear. And again I will remind, a certified gear.
I was looking for the AVL horseshoe one, so I finally ended up buying a bit older model, and I haven't done anything apart from superficial retouch in painting. Rest everything is original, and what I love the fact is that I have the last of its kind. I could not have the first of its kind, but I do have the last of its kind, which is the ABL horseshoe engine right back there.
Hello Lucid Dreams, Navi Mumbai. This is Yukti Belwar. Well, you see, the thing about Enfield is that it's a massive chaos working together. It's always a pleasant experience to sit on my Royal Enfield and ignite the engine. It's an experience which no other bike can give.
Now I know there is a certain portion of population who do not like Royal Enfield that much. They have their reasons. Some say it's because of oil leakage, some say because of its heavy maintenance, and some say because of fuel consumption. But to me, these are not the proper reasons to hate a bike. If you want to hate it for right reasons. And the way I see it, these people are looking out for something more convenience. Convenience in maintenance, convenience in other things. But here's the thing. Good things in life, whether it's a bike or anything else, it is not convenient. Remember, great things always need care and maintenance, and they definitely do not come easy in life. And speaking of life, let me give you an example of my own. I was an awesome wellness coach for 5 years. When I was in Project India's largest theme park, I decided to chase my dream, which I finally achieved it now. And I am Director of Operations and Creative in both corporate and fashion and entertainment world. It was my passion. Love doing it. I wait for every Monday to come. I can't stand weekends. What I'm trying to say here is, leaving a good job and doing a complete career change for myself was not easy. I had to work day in and out to reconstruct myself because I wanted to follow my passion. And speaking of passion, you have to be clear in your goals, because unless you're clear in your goals, your passion is of no use. So that's my fuel tank. It's written "Made like a gun," Thunderbird 350, along with my name initials, DM 1982.
When I ride my Royal Enfield, I feel like I have the power to conquer the world. If you try to make sense out of it by comparing it with modern sports bike, you'll fail. This bike is for riders, not for dreamers or city commuters.
This bike is for riders. If you want to experience a true merge between a motor and a cycle, a true essence of machine, then you ride on this iron horse. But first, you have to tame it. The true essence of Royal Enfield, to me, it ended when the self-start came. Because that thump, that compression, that kickstart, I can still feel the rattle all over the body, that feeling when you start it. There are no words for it. And moreover, this bike is a head turner. Otherwise, in many other ways, the new engine is not bad either. You have less or no oil spillage at all. We have more torque. There are few advantages to it. But then again, it's me. So I'll go with this anytime.
The models are now there with the Royal Enfield. My current preference is Interceptor 650, which is a lot more improved version of that, where the vibration is much lower and sound is a bit different than the original Bullet 350. But still I like it due to its latest technology, and it is very comfortable ride. You can move around 500 kilometers in a day without feeling tired. Something unique about it. That's a bit attracts and creates a junoon among the youngsters to possess one. They want it at any cost. Even if the father says something that no, it is very risky to ride a bike, they won't hear it. For this, अपने बाप की भी नहीं सुनूंगा. That is the attitude when one has a mind in his head that I want this thing, bike which is out of ordinary.
Thank you, Devali Mitra, connected after a long time. In the world full of trends, I love to remain classic, and that's why I ride Royal Enfield.
So I hope you loved at least some part of the video which you will apply it in your life. Stay fit and wish you many more journeys to come. And speaking of staying fit, and there are 2 links in the description related to mental and physical fitness. Watch it, you will surely enjoy. And my email is in the description as well. Take care. Thank you.